Pivot table look complex to build, but creating a basic pivot table takes just a few steps. I can also build fancier pivot tables. Excel offers a wide range of options. Styles and features on the ribbon. The most common source for a pivot table is an Excel table. Although I can also use data that's set up as a regular range, I can use just about any table or range to build a pivot table. I have converted this range into an Excel table. There is a list of orders placed in response to a 3-month marketing campaign. Each record includes the following information: month, date of order, product, quantities, revenue, and advertisement. To create pivot table, active any cell of table. Click Insert tab. In Tables group, click Pivot Table button. The Create Pivot Table dialog box appears. Make sure you have selected the table name in this box. As the name of this table is Table 2, it is automatically selected in this box. Check Existing Worksheet or New Worksheet. I check New Worksheet. Click OK. Excel creates the pivot table structure and displays the pivot table field list pane as well as two pivot table tools tab, Analyze and Design tab. Rename this sheet Pivot Table. Press Enter key. Move this sheet at the end of this sheet. All table fields are appeared in the Choose Fields box. To display data in the pivot table, I must drag these fields in these 4 boxes. Drag Advertisement field in the Columns box. Drag Revenue field in the Values box. Drag Product field in the Rows box. These are basically revenue values. I format these values in currency format. First select the range. Click Home tab. Click Number Format arrow button. Click Currency. Decrease the decimal places up to 0. Convert this range also in currency format. Click this cell. Click Format Painter and select these cells. The basic pivot table is created. This row shows the advertisement field. Customers have purchased these products after reading the advertisement from the internet. The revenue of each product is listed here. The grand total revenue is $3,366. Customers have purchased these products after reading the advertisement from the magazine. The revenue of each product is listed here and the grand total revenue is $2,936. Similarly, customers have purchased product keyboard after reading the advertisement from internet, magazine, newspaper and TV. The revenue of this product is listed in this row and the grand total of this product is $1,399.